Feel me? Florida, you see it. Feel me? What's good, YouTube? You already know this bitch up here. We are back again, guys, with another bang. Feel me? This is different, you feel me? Different scenery. We in Florida with it. Feel me? But I'm saying I'm tired. I've been sweating driving, feel me? I'm pushing the pedal, feel me? Pushing the pedal. You know what I'm saying? Got civilians looking in the back. But we're in Florida, bro. It's been a minute since my last video. It is 9 a.m. right now, and we're getting gas. Me, Tara, Maz, Tati, about to meet Chaz and DUNNYIO and Carly at the restaurant they're eating at, and then go to the house and shit. But basically, I'm just giving the intro for me. It's been a long morning. Bang! Feel me? But shit. We are in Florida. My birthday vlog, birthday week, whatever. I haven't posted in a minute. It's been a lot going on. I posted the scary vlog, my last video. So go check that out. Go like it and shit. Feel me? But this is gonna be a good day. You know what I'm saying? Kick it off, see whatever happens today. Let's check out. I'm gonna see DUNNYIO and Chaz. And we made to the house, the beautiful yellow house on the brick, filming for us today. And we just landed at the spot. So I got the camera, the laptop bag. Filming a little laptop bag. It was hot in Miami today. Holy shit. See that language. Always make sure your keys in your pocket.
DJ's birthday present. I am about to go give it to him. They are all in there just hanging out. We just got to the house like 30 minutes ago. So everybody thinks it's a good time to go ahead and give it to him, even his birthday's not till Tuesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and have to probably film or done.
We made it out back on that board in Miami. So you know that it's BMWs and shit, fitness shit on the way. Oh, it's like this train bus thing or something. Like, I don't know. I got the buffs on too. I'm just not.
Oh my God.
I got you. The buffs on. But like I was saying, bro, we in Miami with it. So what the fuck you talking about? Niggas is with it. Niggas is with it. We're here. Like I was saying. And nobody's gonna recognize. But shit, sooner or later niggas will recognize that people know me. Niggas got scooters. I'm like, yo. What? You want Chaz and little flexing tonight for me? DUNNYIO world is different with the
what happens in Miami?
We heard what happens in Miami State. Oh, should I get a Q&A? Should I do a random Q&A?
Not today. We just finished the vlog today. We have plenty of videos.
God, I'm just gonna. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
You know that.
Like, they know what I specifically asked
Tati, we're grown now, but we smacked the stick in public for me. Smack this stick in public until we grown now. In Miami. Tell them.
Yeah, in Miami.
Tell all the haters.
Fuck the haters. Fuck you if you hating, if you ever hated, and I'ma shit on you at the end. So.
Tell them where you at? Miami, exactly. Come in. Tara back at it. We got. We're like famous.
What do you want to see?
Huh?
Outside?
Nah, inside. We're hey. Wait, is the game on?
Yeah, tell me more.
Actually,
30 minutes.
wait, 30 minutes left?
No, in 30 minutes.
Am I allowed to vlog in here? I'm a YouTuber.
What?
Am I allowed to vlog in here? I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, sure.
So what?
Right?
Alright, yeah. Tell me. I guess we're in here. We're in here. I might get copyright for the music. I mean, I'm a YouTuber, you know what I'm saying?
Huh?
I'm a YouTuber.
Hey, YouTuber.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to sit.
I just got the first two, This gonna take so long.
Ocean in here?
Yeah, but we're gonna go to the bathroom.
Alright. Where are we at with it?
Mars.
The what?
Mars.
Bars? Mars? Yes, sir. Where we at with it? Where we at with it?
Miami.
Tell
In
'em.
Miami.
No, it is.
Young Miami.
No, it
City
is.
girl.
Almost to Miami 95.
Oh. She doesn't know. She doesn't. Damn.
This is all I like this.
I really don't know the lyrics, but I know the lyrics. I can't believe I'm vlogging here. I'm gonna definitely get copyright. Huh?
You ain't one of those starters on? Yeah.
I'm about to get the. We ready to just get the see what they
Four
got here.
cheese mozzarella. What the fuck is that? What does that mean?
4 cheese mozzarella.
It's like down here. Ganucci, whatever that is. It's Ganucci something. I don't know what it is. No, not that. Hold up. What the fuck is it over here? What? Yours is different. Yours is on, you're on the back. It just says 4 cheese mozzarella. So.
What's 4 cheese mozzarella?
What's what?
4 cheese mozzarella.
4 cheese mozzarella.
Yeah,
There's 4 different cheeses.
But what?
and mozzarella.
Is it a mozzarella stick or something?
4 different mozzarella cheeses.
In the stick?
I don't know, shredded, fresh.
They don't say what it even comes in.
I haven't got that far yet.
Tell him. I know. Fiend. You've been just ripping it. You've been ripping that.
Damn.
We can definitely find somebody down here to buy it.
Buy us what?
There's gonna be people walking. The mileage apparently got this thing. I like it.
There's gonna be people
Tati in Miami, okay.
They don't have.
Cut the stick now?
Where are we going?
They make all.
Where are we going right now?
But man, she been having shit going on. Feel me right now. Merch is coming mid-July, you feel me? But we strolling through the Miami pool. Oh, I feel like I dropped something. She just dropped your phone. How you dropped your phone? Tell me how you dropped your phone.
Tati just hit my head.
And Chad speed racer. They the OGs. Are they OGs?
This is a joke. Get that on the vlog.
What was it? What? Where?
Right in front of us. Bro, what?
Where?
Right in front of your face.
Bro, what the fuck? Shitty. Shitty. Carly, tell him. Look, tell him.
No. Stop being mean. We got a cross.
But is somebody gonna tell him though? Is somebody gonna tell him? I'm really scared. Oh, my fault. We're YouTubers. I was trying to get a subscription. And we're about to go to the other side. Buddy. Exactly, that's what I said, city. We're about to go over there. Buddy let us park.
Pause. Why is my car on?
You probably hit the button.
Why is my car on? No, it's been on. It's not fucking battery dead. I'm gonna die.
I'll never gonna forget him.
Oh shit.
Bet, so we're about to go see what the bridge is talking about over the ocean.